I was sent this pop-up gazebo. I love that it has this wheeling case so we can transport it very easily. It's supposed to take 2 people under 15 minutes to set it up. So I have my husband to help me out, and let's check it out and see all the features.
All right, we have the main structure of the gazebo up here, the cover over the top. Couple things to think about when you're going through here is there is Velcro available for you to be able to secure the different components on here. Like this flap here, Velcro's in place. And then also there is Velcro on the underside here to be able to secure the canopy to the main structure. And what that helps with is that on windy days, things aren't flapping around as much. It provides a much more secure structure. So we come in here, there's Velcro up here. Now, of course, I'm a little taller, so I can reach this once the gazebo's up. But if you're not, then you can just lower down the legs to be able to secure these different parts. Now we're gonna go through and put the bug netting, show you it all completed. To be able to secure the bug net around the canopy, it has these Velcro straps that you use, and you just secure it around the actual beams of the frame. So we have the bug netting up here, also a little bit more insulation, stop some of the wind flow through there. I mean, not a lot, of course, because it's mesh, but the bug netting is really nice to be able to have so that you can be outdoor eating year-round without having to worry about bugs getting in the way. Also here on the roof, it has that double pop-up, which is really nice for ventilation. Also has the netting on there as well to be able to help make sure that you have the bugs out across the path. Real easy to be able to install this too. Just has the simple hook and loop fasteners that go around there to be able to secure it to the structure of the canopy. And then also along the way here, it has zippers to be able to go through to be able to secure the different panels. And it does have 4 zippers. So you can go on any side, you have the opportunity to be able to zip it open to be able to get it out, which is really nice to be able to have for easy access for everyone so that you don't have to worry about walking around your table or whatever you have this set up around. Real easy to be able to put it together. Definitely if you're gonna have this in an outdoor area, it comes with stakes. So if you have it in a dirt area or sand, definitely stake it down. Otherwise, you're gonna want some sandbags or something to be able to secure the structure so that the wind doesn't come up, it doesn't blow it around. One of the nice features that this also has is it has these straps on all 4 sides, and it comes on the bug netting. And what that allows you to do is that we can unzip each panel and then roll it up. So if we didn't want to have the mesh installed at this moment, but maybe we want it for later, you can go through and you can unzip this. So we'll come down here, unzip it. Now, if you don't want the mesh in the way, you have to go through and undo 2 of the sides here. So that is one of the things that you just have to consider, is that if you are going to have it done, you can't just have the front open and securing it in there. The way you have to do it here is you have to go through and pull it off the different sides. And then I have that rolled up, and then I'll go through and I'll roll this one up. And the reason for that is that this little part here, when you're ready to do it, you have to roll it around itself and then secure it. All right, this turns out really nice. I'm pretty tall, so that's also why this canopy is hitting me right here. But it is adjustable too, so all you have to do is come over here to the leg, push this here, and on all 4 legs, you can raise it up even higher. That way you're able to fit under here more easily, and it's not here, for me being tall, it's not hitting me in the head. So I'm able to still enter here real easily and not have to worry about ducking as much. This was real easy to be able to put together. The 15 minutes probably if you had 2 people working pretty fast, you'd be able to get it up in 15 minutes, but it was pretty close.
I like that it's going to provide great shade, but also has the opportunity to have this netting, because in the summertime, there's nothing worse than trying to eat outdoors and having bugs all over your food. So super excited about it, and I think you're going to love it too.